Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Lab. Orienting yourself the use of coordinates. Exercise 1.2. Today we are going to start. Question number 4. Other rooms in the house. Ria's room door leads from the dining room which has the length 18 feet and width 15 feet. The length of the dining room extends from point P to point A. Sketch the dining room and mark the coordinates of its corner. Let's see the Rian's room door. D1 and R1 is leads from the dining room. So definitely the dining room should be below of the origin. And another information is given. The length of the dining room is 18 feet and the breadth is 15 feet. And third information is the dining room extends from point P to A. Here is the point P and here is the point A. So this is the length of the dining room whose measurement is given 18 feet. How it comes? From O to P the distance is 6 feet and O to A distance is 12 feet. Total 12 plus 6 18. So the distance of PA 18 feet, which is the length of the dining room. Let's see the breadth of the dining room. The measurement is given 15 feet. Since the dining room below the origin, so we take the point 15 below of it. So where is the 15? Here is the 15. So this point and here this point. We mark the point and also name it. Suppose this is E and this is F. Since the dining room is below of origin, so we take the point 15 which is the width of the dining room below of origin and also name it E and F. So the coordinates of the corners, there are 4 corners P, A, E, F. What are the coordinates of P? -6, 0 and A, 12, 0. Let's find out the coordinates of E. This is 12, comma, -15. And coordinates of F, -6, comma, -15. So they are the 4 corners of the dining room. Let's write coordinates of the 4 corners of dining room are P -6, 0, A 12, 0, E this one 12, -15, F -6, -15. This is the question number 1 from question 4. Question number 4, number 2 is place a rectangular 5 feet is to 3 feet dining table precisely in the center of the dining room and also write down the coordinates of the feet of the table. So the dining room, first we find out the center of the dining room. How do we find out? By using midpoint formula. Let's find out midpoint of dining room. Using midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2. This formula we are using. So first find out midpoint along x-axis. Let's see the figure. PA lie on the x-axis. What are their coordinates? -6, 0, and A coordinates are 12, 0. x1 is -6, x2 is 12. Add them and divide by 2. You get the midpoint along x-axis. -6 plus 12, that is 6 by 2, 3. So -6, that is x1, plus x2 is 12 by 2, get 6 by 2 equals to 3. Similarly, midpoint along y-axis. What are the coordinates of 0? Let's see the coordinates of x. Let's see the coordinates of y-axis. O. O is the origin, O to till -15. So 0 plus -15 by 2. This way you get the midpoint along the y-axis. 0 plus -15 by 2. 0 plus -15 by 2 equals to -15 by 2 equals to -7.5. Okay. So therefore midpoint of the dining room or center of the dining room equals to 3 comma -7.5. So this is the coordinates of the midpoint of the dining room, 3 and -7.5. Let's locate it on the graph. So 3 is the x coordinate, 1, 2, 3. From the origin, 3 units. And -7.5 is the y coordinate. So go down till -7.5. That means in between 7, this is 7, this is 8. Okay, in between 7.5. So this is the point of midpoint of center of the dining room. Other information is given. The dining table measurement is given. 5 feet is to 3 feet. See the question, 5 feet is to 3 feet. So 5 feet is the length of the dining table. So how do you measure? 5 divided by 2. If we divide 5 or 2 equal parts, you get 2.5, 2.5 like that. So this way we can divide the length on both sides, left side and right side. So 2.5 means on right side 1 unit, 2 unit and 2.5. Okay, that much. Similarly, on the opposite side also 1 unit, 2 unit and half. That means this much. Okay. So this way we can measure the length. Similarly, the breadth of the dining table is given 3 feet. That means if you divide it to equal part, that means we get 1.5, 1.5. So up and down we get the measurement 1.5, 1.5. Let's locate it. Already 0.5 is there because this is the center is the 7.5. Correct? So this half 0.5 and this is 1 unit. The total is 1.5. Similarly on the down, this half and another 1 unit. Total is from here to here 1.5 and from up to down total 3 feet. Now you extend this line till that line. Okay. And similarly here also extend the line this way and down and then right. Then you get the exact dining table. Now you get the dining table and also its four corners. Let's find out the coordinates of the four corners. This is the first one, second one, third and fourth corner or fourth feet. So let's write the feet of the dining table. So given that length of the table is 5 feet into, sorry, this is 3 feet, 3 feet. Okay. So the coordinates of the dining table's feet, coordinates of feet. First one, let's find out. First one is, what is it? The x coordinate 0.5 and y -6. This one, is uh, this is 5.5, correct? 5.5 comma -6. This one 5.5 comma -9, and this one 0.5 comma -9. So they are the coordinates of the feet of the dining table. The first one is 5.5 -6, then 5.5 -9, then 0.5 -9, then 0.5 -6. They are the coordinates of the feet. So all the questions in this exercise we already covered. If any doubt, then you can definitely message me. I will definitely clear your all doubts. Thank you.